How to fix your Instagram vanish mode not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix your vanish mode not working. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first steps first, always make sure you're connected to good and strong Wi-Fi. If not, try using your mobile data. Now that's basic. Now let's move on to doing something. So first of all, update your app to the latest version. Head over to your Play Store, search for Insta. After you find it, make sure that there is no updates here. If there is, update it and make sure you have the latest version. Even after that, if there is an issue, what you might want to do is clear out your cache. So to clear out your app's cache, long press on the app, tap on app info, then from here head over to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After you've cleared out your cache, you're good to go. If again that does not work, try restarting your phone. Press on the volume up button and power button and you'll find the restart option. Restart it and just wait. So if it still does not work, the problem might not be on your device. The problem might be that the feature is not yet available in your region. So yeah, there is no fix for that part, but that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.